Hello students, today I am again here with a new chapter, that is your chapter 4, that is a poem I remember, and this is composed by Thomas Hood. So let's begin with the first slide, that is about hard words, and you all have to repeat the hard words after me, okay? So the first word is peeping. Peeping. Second is lilacs. Lilacs. Third is laburnum. Laburnum. Fourth is swallow. Swallow. Fifth is slender. Slender. Now move to the next slide, that is about word and meaning. So the first word that I have given here is peeping. That means quiet sound. Second is never came a wink too soon. In your poem I remember there is a line, never came a wink too soon. That means always on time. Third is made of light. Here the meaning of made of light is extremely beautiful. Fourth is laburnum, and the meaning of laburnum is a small tree which has hanging yellow flowers over it. Fifth is swallow, that means a small bird. My spirit flew in feathers then. And here the meaning of this my spirit flew in feathers then, that means poet felt joyous at the smallest of things. He take too much enjoy in every smallest things, okay? Seventh is slender, that means thin. Now come to the next slide, that is about word and synonyms and antonyms, okay? So the first word that I have given here is remember, that means recall, okay? That I mean the synonym of this word is recall, and the antonyms of this word is disremember, or we can also say forget. Wish, the second word is wish, and the synonym of wish is desire, and antonym is spurn. Long. The synonym of long is extended, and the antonym is shortened. Living. Synonym of living is aliveness, and antonym is lifelessness. Heavy. Heavy. The synonym of heavy is weighty, and antonym is light. Dark. The synonym of dark is dim, and the antonym is bright. Last one is ignorance, and the synonym of this word is unawareness, and the antonym is awareness. Now move towards the next slide, that is about the poet. As you all know that the poem is composed by Thomas Hood. So Thomas Hood born on 23rd May 1799, and he was died on 3rd May 1845. He was an English poet, author and humorist, best known for poems such as Bridges of Sighs and the Song of the Shirt. Hood wrote regularly for the London magazine Athenaeum and Punch. He later published a magazine largely consisting of his own works. So this is all about the poet. Now move towards the next slide, that is the theme of the poem. The poem I remember is one of the best literary work known for its themes of childhood and recollection of joys. It was first published in 1844. The poet recalls his childhood memories and compares his childhood joy with his gloomy present. And poem deals with the wonder of life through childhood memories. Now let's start with the summary of the poem. This poem is about the changing nature of time. The speaker recalls his blissful childhood that is still green in his memories. He recalls his bedroom with its little window where the sun used to appear every morning. He also recalls seeing many flowers in the garden around his house and the laburnum tree. The tree was planted by his brother on his birthday, which is still standing at the same place, but his brother is no more. The poet recalls how he used to swing and move through the air without any care in the world. He also has the memory of fair trees with their tall branches and summer pools which refreshed him. Now, as an adult, he misses that carefree time because the real world has stolen his innocence and joy. He feels that he is away from the blessings and real happiness after growing older. So this is all about chapter 4, that is I remember. You all have to note it down in your fair copy. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.